Hey guys, how you doing? Austin here. I want to talk to you about Guzzler. This is a really cool project and a cool token. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to look at everything about this, show you what this is. This has been out now for a little bit, but not too long per se. Guzzler, if you don't know, is I think it's one of the coolest NFT play to earn racing crypto games that is going to hit the market, period. It is really cool. Talked to the team, the founding team about this project, as well as Inuyasha. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. Earlier this week had a 2+ hour call with them, laid it all out. There is some insane and amazing tech underneath the Guzzler website as it relates to the NFTs. And just to give you some perspective on the Guzzler in the game from an NFT perspective, guys, the cars are going to be NFTs. The wheels are going to be NFTs. The body kits are going to be NFTs. The performance parts are going to be NFTs. So you'll be able to completely change everything. And they're even giving us some insight and saying that you'll actually be able to change the metadata underneath that. Haven't seen that yet, but what they were talking about was, like, let's say you want the car's red and you want to make it black or things like that. So it sounds like that, again, the NFT metaverse tech that they've come up with, some really cool stuff. And to give you some perspective, kind of the gallery of what some of these cars are going to look like, you can see right here that they've got real high value production, visual NFTs. The team is doxed here. It's pretty cool. Joey was who myself, Zach talked to, as well as your pop talked to them. So again, I love that they're out front and center, and just some really cool stuff. So I'm going to drop a link, by the way, to the Guzzler website down below. All right, but let's also now take a look at the token. So the token is up today, doing really well, up 16+%. You can see there's 3 zeros, and then we got our 1 starting. And if you look at the last 7 days, it's basically been trading within this channel, but we're coming out of this valley and peaking back up. 24-hour highs right there, 1183, 24-hour low, 971. So we're up 16+%. For me, guys, this is a long-term play. I have put some of my own money into this. This is a 6-month, a year plus play, because I think that they are going to be one of the preeminent and dominant NFT racing games out there. Okay, and I really like what I'm seeing with this. Oh, by the way, market, it is an Ethereum token, so yes, it's a Uniswap scenario. Try to buy late at night if you're going to use Uniswap to buy the Guzzler tokens to reduce on those gas fees, etc. All right, so from a holder standpoint, pretty early on, only about 1,800 holders. What I really like about these guys is that they are a docs team, as I said, but they're also very serious about this from a business perspective, and they're running it like a business. And so to kind of bring all the pieces together, okay, so Guzzler was the first project that rolled off of the Inuyasha incubator. Okay, so the exact same team that, by the way, it's the same team. So the team that is on Guzzler is the team behind Inuyasha. And so Inuyasha is basically what this is. I did a video on this earlier this week. I'll actually link it above me right here towards the end of this video, so you can see it. But the incubator is called Yasha Launch, and what they do is they go out and they find crypto projects. They investigate them. They take them through all the audit process, etc., and then they launch them. But one of the cool things about Inuyasha is that they reward their token holders right here. If applicable, Inuyasha holders gain pre-sale access to the tokens. Inuyasha has a couple of other projects in the queue. I'm not at liberty to discuss what those are, but let's just put it this way. There are additional projects that Inuyasha is going to be launching. I will drop a link below to Inuyasha as well. And so Inuyasha was the incubator that the team created, and then the first project that rolled off of Inuyasha was their own project. And like I said, it was Guzzler, and there are other projects that are coming from the Inuyasha team. So I love that they have their incubator. They're in the business of vetting and auditing and launching really good crypto projects with Inuyasha. And the fact that they went after the NFT racing market, I thought was really, really smart because you don't really see that being done really, really well yet. And the fact that they did that and they're going at it with really high quality NFT cars, as well as producing some significantly cool tech underneath that will facilitate some really cool stuff in their game to give the user experience that much more of a high value experience. Again, I thought was really, really cool. And by the way, I'll drop a link to the to this page as well, so you can check it out, check out everything. Run this through your own due diligence. This is one that I'm very, very bullish on, but just because the fact that I'm bullish on it doesn't mean you need to run right out and buy it, guys, okay? So check it out, run it through your own due diligence, but this is one that I really do like. And so we're gonna end with that. And remember, hey, by the way, Patreon links in the description below. Check it out if you want to get insight into high value, high quality tokens and new gaming tokens. Just like Guzzler, my patrons knew first that I was going to be talking about Guzzler and Inuyasha, and so they basically get a little bit of inside knowledge, if you will, on the inside track. All right. So with all that said, hey, have a good one. Have a good day. Take it easy. Go make some money. See you. Bye.